Good evening, I'm Jacqueline Matter.
And I'm Scott Dennis. Thanks so much for being with us tonight. Our top story, a spike in car insurance prices. Rates now at all-time highs. And Suncoast now seeing an average 7% increase in rates over the last year.
Experts say prices across the state continue to skyrocket. Florida already with the 5th highest rates in the country, and it's expected to get worse. ABC 7's Jess Dowdrick spoke with some insurance companies today. She joins us now live to explain what you can do to save money on your car insurance. Jess?
Jacqueline, Scott, I recently for car insurance and realized that I'd be paying a lot more this year than I was last year. So I did some investigating and realized I'm not alone.
It's really expensive. I pay almost $300 a month just for liability.
17-year-old Tori Fruth's car insurance payments are burning a hole in her wallet. But when she sees distracted drivers on the roads, she can't help but understand why.
You see it a lot, and it can be frustrating, but as a person, you just have to focus on yourself and what you're doing.
Jim Valek, owner of Valek Insurance, will be the first to tell you.
Prices are just going up and up.
Valek says looking up the top 10 car insurance companies in Florida, in 2016, only 2 of them made money.
For every dollar coming in, they're paying out more than $1 in all their expenses.
And that is what's leading to the increased prices. The risk for insurers to cover Suncoast drivers is increasing, and it's no secret why. Distracted driving.
And those distracted drivers are, have a higher propensity of getting into a fender bender or even a major accident, unfortunately. And all of that creates more claims and increases the prices.
Joshua DeZibiak is the co-founder of The Zebra, the nation's most visited car insurance search engine. DeZibiak explains that Florida is getting more congested, something most drivers have probably already noticed.
Your rates increasing doesn't always necessarily correlate with your driving behavior. You may have never had an accident or a claim, but just by function of where you live and what's happening around you, the risk is increasing.
The number of fatal accidents are down statistically in Florida, but Valek says the number of totaled vehicles are on the rise.
They crumple. They're designed to crumple to save you.
And those car parts that are crumpled in the accident are getting more and more expensive.
All the electronics have to be replaced, and it just costs so much to fix all the safety features.
The question now is, how can you save money? Unfortunately, experts say if you want to live on the Suncoast, there's not much you can do.
We do recommend shopping around quite frequently, especially in some of these areas like Florida and Tampa, where the rates are increasing so drastically.
Now, believe it or not, weather also plays a significant role in how much you're paying for your car insurance premium. While it's beautiful out today, we obviously had Hurricane Irma come through just a couple months ago and didn't have a great rainy season with a lot of flooding. So all of that will affect our rates as well. And not to be the bearer of bad news, but we haven't even seen the increase because of those factors yet, but those will be coming. Reporting live in Sarasota, Jess Dowdrick, ABC 7, your Suncoast News.